What's up guys, we are changing the oil here on the Altera, 2016 Altera. This is the same procedure for any 550 or 700 Arctic Cat ATV, so let's get into it. Now I'm using full synthetic 1040 and I've got a KN 621 filter on here, and you can pick these up here in the link in the description. I'll have those for you there. It will take 2 quarts for an oil change, so be sure to have that on hand before you go ahead and drain all your oil out. Next thing, I always write down the miles and hours that I have on the machine whenever I change the oil. Alright, if you have one of these XR Altera style gauges, this is also on Wildcats and snowmobiles, I think, on some models, but if you want to know all the gauge functions, be sure to check out this video up here, how to use everything, what each of these buttons does, and I go through some functions on there as well, so be sure to check that out. Once you've got your oil back in there, you just have to check that it's in between those marks and the low and high marks on the dipstick, and once you're in the middle there, you should be good to go and ready to button it all back up. You can run the engine, warm it up a little bit, check that dipstick after a minute after it's settled down again, and make sure you're just in those hash marks and add accordingly. Alright, so really simple, easy to do. Make sure you have the amount of oil that you need for your model of ATV before you go ahead and drain the oil. Make sure you get a filter. Normally I change the filter every time I change the oil, so I've got 2 quarts of oil and a filter just for this simple job, and you just need 1 socket for the oil drain plug on the bottom. Real easy to do. Hope this video helps you guys out in how to do an oil change on your ATV, and I'll see you guys in the next video.